Hi there, this side Viren. So today also we are trying to discuss this CodeChef round which was held yesterday. The name of this round is Starter 2022, and yeah, first three question I want to discuss. So let us start with first question. The name of this question is Elections in Chefland. So there are 101 cities in Chefland. It is election time in Chefland and three parties. There is three party ABC. Party A contain received XA vote, Party B received XB vote, and Party C received XC vote. Okay, and the constitution of the court chef require a particular party to receive a clear majority. In short, they are saying that if any party received vote greater than 50, so the it is called as clear majority because we have 101 votes, and if anyone received greater than 50, then it's obvious that the party is clearly majority, like clear majority it received. So yes, otherwise if it is not the case, if the case is arise like two party receive same vote, so we simply print nota. So I think that there is no need to, I mean, to made any calculation. We just simply use if condition and we simply print answer. Let us visualize what was the input format says, like test case is okay, and each test case contain three integer xa, xb, and xc, and we have to print answer like abc, otherwise not done. Okay, we'll directly jump to the its code part. It's not much difficult, I guess. Okay, so we use that majority part first. If a received majority vote, so party A is winner, otherwise party B is winner, otherwise party C is winner. If this is the not case, then we know that exactly two party received same vote, so in this case nota is our answer. So yes, this was the accepted solution for this question. So let us come to the second question, and second question is equal card game. Okay, this was the second question of this contest. What is the scenario and condition is given here? Let me zoom it out little bit. Okay, Alice has standard deck of 52 cards. She want to play a game with K minus friend. So basically there are K player. Just note it down here. There are K minus friends, means in total if counting in Alasya we have K friends. Okay, and this part particular game required each player to have equal number of cards. So Alasya need to discard a certain number of cards from her deck so that she can equally distribute the remaining card among her and her friend. So yes, so we have to, basically the game is like that. We have to give equal number of card to all of the participation, I mean who are taking part in game, and we have to simply print the minimum number of card Alice has to discard such that she can play the game. Okay, for example, let's take an input like this. Here it's given that there is three friend. So uh, okay, I think it's okay. So let us read one again. So test cases, okay, and each test case contain k including number of player. Okay, so basically in first test case we have to distribute card in three players. So what we do, we know that card contain 52. Okay, we just divide it by 3. Okay, so we get like this 52. If we divide by 3, what we get? 3 ones are 3. Here we get 2 and 1, 2, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so we received 1. Yes, we have to remove one card. So let us understand the concept. It's not that much difficult. So every 3 player get 17 card, and there is left one card after equally distributed. So we simply use modulo property here. We just print 22 mod 3 is our answer, because modulo gives the remainder, whatever remainder we have, so it's 1. It will work for each and every cases. So let us see its code implementation. Yes, I take k, the number of player, and I simply print 52 mod k. Whatever the card Alessia need to remove, we just simply print that, and we got accepted label for this question also. So yeah, this was the simple explanation for second question. Let us come to third question, and the third question is an interesting sequence. So let us see what was the scenarios here. You are given an integer k. Consider a sequence, integer sequence a of n like this. Define another sequence s of length n such that s of I is equal to a of 1 plus a of 2. Okay, and a is said to be interesting if a of I plus s of I is equal to k for every 1 to n. Okay, this was the condition is must for getting an sequence to be interesting. So find the maximum length of an interesting sequence. If there are no interesting sequence, print 0. Okay, so we have to print the maximum length of interesting sequence. Input contain t and k. K means the number we have to we have to get after adding a of I and s of I. And output we have to simply print the maximum length of interesting sequence. Okay, let us come to test cases. Two test cases. First test case 8 and second contain 4. Okay, let me discuss that. So we are given k as 8. So we have to make a sequence which contain maximum length, and like for example, let's consider a as the sequence of 4. I'm telling why I'm starting from 4. 4, then 2 and 1. For now, let us consider this as a, and how s is made up from it. S is equal to s of I is equal to a of 1 to a of I. Let me show you again. Yes, here it's given. What is s of I is equal to a of I till s of I is equal to a of 1 to till a of I. Okay, so right, so here s of 1 is equal to a of 1 only, so it's 4. Now s of 2 is equal to is s of 1, which is 4, plus s of 2, sorry, a of 2, which is 2. Okay, we done with second part, second term of s. Now s of 3 is equal to a of 1 plus a of 2 plus a of 3. So yes, and what finally we received in s, we received like 4, 6 and 7. Okay, so we made these two. This is our final s and a. So let us see it's an interesting sequence or not. So 4 plus 4 8, I am writing here. 4 plus 4 8. Okay, just ignore once, just ignore this. Now 2 plus 6 8. Yes, 7 plus 1 8. So we can say that yeah, there exists one interesting sequence and which has maximum length of 3. So we simply print 3 for this case. So if you notice one thing, for making a and s, what we are doing, we just we are starting from half of the given number, because we know that s of 1 is equal to a of 1 itself. So we have to simply add these two number, and we are getting the original number, this 8. So we are starting from half of the number, and now what we are doing, we are just adding the next number. So we are checking. So basically, like, this was the condition. Let me discuss in free space. Okay, so here we have 8. So a is here. Okay, so what we are doing, we're starting from 4, because we know that s is also s of 1 is also a of 1. Okay, we are getting 8. So we are sure that the minimum length we are getting 1. So we are check for again. So we are getting this 4, and now here we need more 4, like plus something here, and we are getting and something here. After addition of these two, I mean this number and this whole number, we want 8. So we already have 4. Now we need more 4, so we need to add here 2, and we need to add here 2. Okay, we increase our answer by 1. We are now sure that minimum length, maximum length, I mean minimum is 2. Let us check for another. Now we have here 4 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, and what we want 8, and what we have 6, so we left with 2, so we simply add 1 here and 1 here. Okay, we are done with it. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we again increase our answer by 1, so we are sure that for till now we get mini maximum length as 3. Now again check what we have now. 4 plus, let me just slide it little bit. Okay, 4 plus 2 plus 1, this will came. And what we need now, we need this we have 7 and we need 8, so now we need to add 1 only, but we can't add 0.5, we can't take a floating point here, we just take integer, so we can't proceed next, and we print our answer as 3. Okay, so yes, this approach I simply write in code. Okay, so I take k, the number we have to get up for the condition, check the string is interesting or not. I take k and take input from the user, and initialize one answer variable with 0, for where I can store the increment of length. Okay, I simply run file loop. For example, yeah, this is if the number is, if number is even, so we can't break into two half, so I use this k mod 2. If the number is odd, so we can't break into two equal parts, so we are not coming inside it, we simply print 0 because it's not impossible case. And if the number is even, so we came inside it and we increment answer by 2 and we half the number. Likewise this, after running this while loop, we are getting the maximum length. So yes, this was the simple explanation and coding implementation of third question, and I got accepted label for this question also. So if you guys have any doubt related to this question, you simply comment down in comment box, or otherwise you can join my Telegram channel, where I can surely uh, surely clear your doubts. So thanks for watching.